Hi everyone, I found these pretty little heart beads in my little set that I got, and some of the triangle shaped beads, or not triangle, but they're square, but they're on an angle. I've got these head pins that I think are going to be long enough. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to make a easy little set of earrings, and we're going to use our bead caps for these. Whoops, I dropped it. Darn, I keep falling. We'll put that one like that because the pointy end of this is, we'll sit down in it. And put one on top of it. Oh, and I think I missed one. I had 4 out here. Let's see how this looks. I think I'm going to do it the other way. That way, or... I thought that didn't look right. Go like that. I think we're going to do it this way. Like that. Put it on where to cover the point. Let's see if we can get it this way. I want to go the other way. Yeah, I go back to work tomorrow, so. Hopefully we'll have a good day at work. Yeah, I like that better. Let's change this one back out. See if I can hold everything I need in my hand. It's quiet here whenever there ain't nobody here. I went to the store and I've got the house to myself right now, except for our two cats. Well, golly, can I not get it? There. These are just a simple little pair of earrings, and I'm pushing it with the length of that on that end. So what we'll do is bend it over, and we're going to just roll it. And try to get it to join the other middle. so it don't come off your ear wire without breaking the bead. There. Pick that one up. Let's do the same thing. Let's try to catch it right. I want to roll it back first and then catch it right at the tip if I can. I don't think I can. And as we roll it, we're going to get closer to the tip. Light out way more than I needed. Let's see how these open. Most of them open on the back, it seems like. Here lately, I had some from somewhere that opened on the front. So I guess whoever makes them, the manufacturer does them how they are set up too, I guess. Twist it back. Twist it back. Just make sure you don't have a gap there where to fall off. Yeah, let's get them back. I might make another pair here in a minute. I might need them. Okay. There's our little heart earrings. And that would work for Valentine's or something. Y'all, thanks for watching. I really appreciate y'all sticking it out to the end and liking and subscribing. That really helps me out. And until next time, y'all take care of yourself. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.